Hi guys, it's your girl Afronically Beautiful. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be dedicated to 5 ways that having an Ayurvedic hair regimen has changed my hair for the better. So if you'd like to see those 5 ways or listen, stay tuned. All right, so the first thing that Ayurveda has done for my hair is to help me to retain moisture for longer periods of time. When I first cut my hair off in 2012, I believe, I really had a problem with dryness. That was just something that I struggled with, and I kind of got to the point where I felt like every natural on earth struggled with dry hair, and so it was one of those things that I just kind of tried to cope with, and I just kind of tried different methods, tried to use different moisturizers, tried to put more water in my hair, etc., to try to figure out a way to combat dryness. And I honestly never figured that out until I got on my Ayurvedic hair regimen. Since using Ayurvedic herbs in my hair and all sorts of other things related to Indian hair care pretty much, my hair retains moisture for so long that it's like sometimes I have to like remind myself that it's wash day, it's time to deep condition, it's time to re-moisturize, because my hair just literally doesn't get dry like how it used to. And so it's really interesting to be on the other side of the fence now than what I was before. So the second thing is I no longer have to deal with single strand knots. I think I posted a video a while back, and I'll leave it in the iCard up here if I find it. But I posted a video a while back letting you guys know my 5 natural hair struggles, and one of them was single strand knots. And that was just something also that I just believe every natural deals with single strand knots because our hair is naturally curly, and so there's just kind of no way to combat that. It's just something that you have to just deal with, suck it up, oh well. But then at some point I realized like this is not something that I deal with anymore. And once I realized that, I was like, this didn't start happening for me until I started using Ayurvedic herbs in my hair. It's like my strands are just so smooth now and so strong that it's like I don't have to deal with that. And I also want to say that I really don't have to deal with splitting ends, but I'm not going to go that far yet because I feel like I can't see all over my entire head to be able to tell you guys that honestly. But those are 2 things that I've seen completely gone or minimized ever since I've been on an Ayurvedic hair regimen. So the third thing is improved shine. Like my hair is forever shiny. Like I feel like before I was on an Ayurvedic hair regimen, I used to put oil in my hair and then I would have shine for like 1 to 2 days. And I really like when my hair is shiny because I feel like it brings out the color when I don't have like my hair dyed, which I don't right now. But you guys know I dyed my hair like 3 times in the past. And I feel like it just looked better when my hair was shiny. But then after like 1 to 2 days of putting oil in my hair would literally get dull, and it started to become so annoying because I was just like, my hair just looks dead. And I think that was honestly the reason why I wanted to dye it so much. I think I dyed my hair 3 times the same color so far, and I feel like every time I saw my hair looking like this dull brownish black, I was just like, oh, I need color, forget it. And that's really what caused the damage in my hair before I had to cut it off the last time. But now it's like I haven't wanted to color my hair in like the last 2 to 3 years because that's as long as I've been using Ayurvedic herbs in my hair, and literally my hair is forever shiny. No matter what I do to it, no matter what style I have, it just always has shine. And I just kind of feel like that may not be a big deal to everybody, but it was to me. And I feel like that kind of filled the void of me wanting to color my hair all the time, because now I have like this shiny black color in my hair, but also my hair is like naturally brown, so it's like it kind of brings out the brown highlights in my hair, and it's just like amazing. So the 4th thing is it's allowed me to simplify my hair regimen. Like, oh my gosh, like I posted a video I believe in 2015 telling you guys that I wanted to go back to the basics. And the reason why I wanted to go back to the basics is because my hair started to grow out a lot. My hair was getting thicker, it was just getting longer, and I feel like wash day was just, it was a whole weekend. Like it was a whole process. And at first I embraced it because I'm like, okay, if I know how to take care of my natural hair and this is what it's gonna take, then okay, I'll just be patient and I'll just deal with it. But over time, it just wasn't realistic with my lifestyle. And I think that's another reason why I really enjoy being on the Ayurvedic hair regimen, because it's just so simple. Like I literally just shampoo my hair, I deep condition my hair, and then I co-wash in between in order to detangle it. After that, I moisturize my hair, and I'm telling you, my hair stays moisturized for weeks at a time. And so it's like I'm not having to go to the store and spend all my money on hair products like I used to. I'm not having to do backflips trying to figure out what will work and what doesn't work. I found the perfect regimen for my hair that it's like my hair is just continuing to flourish. If you guys follow me on Instagram, and I'll put it across the screen here at Afronically Beautiful C, I posted the most recent picture of my afro, And I looked back at that picture, even though I took it. Like, I looked back at that picture on my Instagram and I just could not believe how far my hair has come since 2016 when I was starting this journey. Yeah, definitely. I no longer, like I said, have to buy hair products. I'm not doing 100 steps on wash day with 100 different products. It's so basic, and everything is like cost effective because I'm mixing everything myself now. I don't really go out and buy hair products anymore. I buy the ingredients for my hair products, but that's like once every so often. Yeah, so the fifth and final thing is that it allows me to bounce back from the damage. And I keep referring to my hair in 2015 and 2016. If you've not been on my channel this whole time since I've been on YouTube on this channel, I cut my hair off initially from having severely heat damaged hair, I believe in 2012. Then since then, I colored my hair 3 times and I was doing all of these different hairstyles. I was using all of these different products that didn't really work for my hair. And so my hair got really damaged. Like, again, it got thin, it was broken off. I was used to blowing my hair out and having like this huge mane, kind of like what I have on Instagram, the most recent picture. Like, I'm so glad that my hair is like flourishing again, because at one point, and I'll link the video up here because I did post about it, my hair was just damaged. It was see-through, it was thin, and I knew that was from me coloring it so much but not exactly taking care of it. And so now my hair has completely bounced back, and I think that's given me the encourage to come back to YouTube, just because of the simple fact that now I feel like I know what I can share on this channel. I know what the direction of my channel is going now, and I want to dedicate it to my Ayurvedic hair regimen because that's really what's made my hair flourish. That's what's made my hair stronger, longer, thicker, shinier, smoother, like everything. I'm telling you guys, like, I understand that in the natural hair community that not everything works for everybody. Sometimes you'll watch a video like this and then you run out and you go buy that stuff and you go try it and it just doesn't work for you. But at the end of the day, I feel like I've had to try so many things to get to the point of being able to discover that Ayurvedic herbs work for me and my hair care. And so I just want to put that out there to educate and help, you know, a lot of other naturals on their journey, just in case you guys were in the same spot as me. So I will link those 2 videos, like I said, here in the iCard. So if you've not been on my channel or if you haven't seen those videos, please go back and watch them because you can literally see where I'm coming from. You can see my hair today if you follow me on Instagram. Plus, I'll be posting some videos from this day forward, but also you'll be able to see how my hair, how bad it was at the end of 2015, and then the beginning of 2016. That's when I dedicated to regrowing back out my hair, figuring out what I can do to nurse it back to health. So yeah, that wraps up this video. If you've watched obviously to this point, thank you so much for watching the video in its entirety. Please comment below. Please, please, please comment below and let me know any video requests that you'd like to see on this channel. It could just be general, or definitely if you have any questions regarding Ayurvedic hair care, all that stuff. Like, I'm literally dedicating this channel to that because now I feel like I can help you guys because I'm so experienced at this point. That's why I waited so long to kind of come out and like share all of these things. But also the reason why I'm posting on YouTube again is because lately I've gotten some inspiration from a lot of you guys. You guys have kind of been commenting and DMing me and telling me like, hey, like, when are you coming back to YouTube? And at first I kind of was just like, probably never. Like, I mean, the videos are out there, you can watch them, and that's pretty much it. But now I'm just like, I want to share what I know and what I'm doing with my hair now. So that's what I'm doing. You guys have been sharing my videos. You've still been watching my videos. You've been commenting and all this good stuff. So thank you for that support, even though I haven't been on YouTube. But definitely go ahead, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And like I said, comment below, let me know that you exist, and then let me know if you guys have a video request. That gives me inspiration to let me know that you guys are actually watching my channel, that my content is useful to you. It also helps YouTube know that my videos are pretty much interesting. So go ahead and thumbs up this video if you liked the 5 ways, and I'll see you guys in the next one.